Hello, my name is Reverend Rutayisire. I'm based in Rwanda, and I would like to share with you my exploration of Moodle editor. First, I have to explain about the paragraph. We don't have many options inside, but we have some headings. From the we have heading 1, heading 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have also some paragraph. Once you have to use the address, for example, this one, you can click on it. This one, you can click on heading 1. If you want to choose the heading 4, you can use it. And here you can bold what you have written. For example, once you have the paragraph like this, you can bold it, you can italicize this one, and you can use also this feature of bulleted list. For example, I have some names: John, I have Peter, I have, for example, Violet, like this. I have Gigi, like that. I can make this list bullet list, and I can number them like this. I can choose John as a link to Google, for example. I can make a link here, and once you click on John like that, you will have the Google website, and you can unlink John, I think, like that. You can insert a picture. Once, for example, you want under John, you want to insert a picture, you will click on this feature, for example this one, and let us go there. Let's pick this one as a picture, and this is a picture under John. This is a picture under John. We can resize this one. We can resize this picture, and again we have some other pictures like these emoticons. This is for multimedia. This is the embedded files. This is for undo. This one for redo. Underline. This is the strike through feature. This is for subscript, and this is per script. This is to align left, center, and right. This is to indent, to decrease the indent. This is to increase the indent. This is to select text color. For example, this one, I highlight Peter, and after I have to choose the color for Peter, or I can choose the background for my text by using this one. This is the orange background, and so on and so on. This is for mathematics. This is for mathematics. You can insert some equations by using this feature. Thank you very much. I think that we will enjoy these sessions, and I have to thank Mrs. Madam Nelly. Thank you very much.